So within Google Ads, we have the option to make a search text ad, which is something like this. And the objective of this and what it optimizes for is for people to click through to the websites. But we can also add a call specific ad, which is objective is to make people call immediately now. And what you can do, you can add these into your existing campaigns, and it is very, very easy to do. And I recommend everyone to do it if your call to action is for people to call now, is in phone in now. Okay, it's very simple to do. So what we want to do is go to our campaign. So we have our campaign selected on the side here, which is Emergency Plumber, our demo account. We're going to go to our 24-hour plumber and click under ads and assets. We want to make sure ads is highlighted here. Once we are in here, we are just going to go to the plus sign here, and instead of a responsive search ad, we can add a call ad. And what we want to make sure we have here is our phone number. So I now have a dummy phone number here, and what we're going to do is pretty much just replicate our ad here. So one thing I recommend you to do is have your original ad open on one page and have this ad open on another tab, because you can copy and paste your descriptions, you can copy and paste your fine URLs over very, very easily. Okay, so now we have our cool ads, which we're creating here on this tab, and this is the other tab, which is our original search text ad, which we created. So we're just going to transfer over the original things we're using here. So our fine URL, what do we use for? We didn't use a display path, that's fine. What's next? Headline 1. So we're just going to copy and paste and recycle what we already have. So use the headlines that you think are most specific to it. We're going to use Able Group. Plumb line is our example. Description 1, we're just going to go down to here, copy and paste. Oh, I've got a spelling mistake. Copy and paste that one, copy and paste this one, and there you go. And we click save. And now we have one regular responsive search ad, which is predominantly for text for people to click through to the website. And now we have a call ad as well. So the next thing to do is just go through each of your ad groups. One thing we can do is copy our original call ad from this ad group by simply selecting copied there. And we can go through to our emergency plumber, our next ad group. We can go to paste and just go through and copy and paste. And what this is going to do is simply paste the ad we created in 24-hour plumber and copy it into our emergency plumber ad group, which we are then going to go in this tab here, go to our original ad, and simply copy and paste the different headlines that we want to use. Because our final URL is going to be okay, our descriptions are going to be okay. So we just want to copy and paste these headlines to be more specific to emergency plumber rather than 24/7 plumber. Emergency call out plumber. 2. Plumb line, and there you go. The rest of it's absolutely fine, and that's the quickest way to make sure we have a call ad in each of our campaigns. So yeah, just do what we did here. We copied it to here and just do it for the rest of these ad groups. Okay, so that's it for this one, guys. If you want to connect with me on LinkedIn and ask me any questions related to Google ads, Facebook ads, or anything marketing related, I'd love to connect with you and answer any of your questions. So please feel free to do that, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you, guys.